In this month's Data Bytes, we dig deeper into healthcare data by exploring the data lakehouse. We'll take a look at the basics of this data storage and retrieval architecture, then move beyond to understand why it matters in healthcare. We'll learn key aspects of what makes it unique, from cloud-based storage to easy integration with third-party apps. The lakehouse is a critical component of success in today's landscape. It enables workflows that empower employees, from the exam room to the boardroom. Recently, we collaborated with HIMSS Market Insights to understand US healthcare's major data challenges, and then envision some ways that leaders can use new technology to find solutions. Just over half of leaders surveyed that more than 50% of their organization's data is being used to make intelligent business decisions. How can we do better? Download the full report linked below. Now, let's take a guided tour of the data lakehouse. All data tributaries flow into the lakehouse. 9 in 10 healthcare executives agree that data is critical to an organization's performance. How it's stored and accessed is the difference between a murky view and actionable insights. In this article, we explore how Data Lakehouse advances capabilities like access, speed, and a comprehensive view of population health. Want to incorporate third-party data in a report? Want to build custom analytics and workflows in a snap? The Lakehouse has you covered.
Bad data can lead to serious consequences in healthcare. And without the right architecture, good data gets trapped, locked in place without purpose. All it takes is one push. When you utilize your data to its full potential, innovation sparks quicker than ever before, allowing you to deliver insights to the right people at the right time, and keep care teams happy and patients healthy.
Zero copy, infinite innovation. Here, we break down the basics of the zero copy data lake, what it is, why it matters, and what differentiates it from the models you might already know and use. Discover what it offers healthcare, from accessible raw data for analysts to portability across the cloud. Viva la Data Révolution. With a basic overview of how the lakehouse works, this article digs deeper into how it will revolutionize the healthcare industry, from better patient stratification to IT's sigh of relief over native deletions and offset management. We call that a win-win.
So at Arcadia, we have this concept of the lakehouse, which blends the best of both worlds of a data lake and a more traditional data warehouse, and provides a governing structure around that lake to keep it from turning into a swamp. What that means is hyper low cost, hyper low latency data processing end-to-end, incredible flexibility in the amount of data that you can leverage in one of these platforms, and extensibility of that data into all myriad of other endpoints. But when you look at Arcadia and our customers, we are shipping petabytes of data every day. And at that volume, you need much different techniques to really harness and activate that information. And whether that's event streams, cloud-to-cloud mirroring, large batch data transfers, Arcadia gives you a fabric to plug your data wherever you need to plug it through the means that make the most sense.
And that wraps up this edition of Data Bytes on the Data Lakehouse. For more information, please be sure to check the description in this video. To see more of how you can harness the power of data and analytics to drive healthcare innovation, request a demo of Arcadia's powerful data platform.